Good evening, students. Now we will see the ninth exercise in our second lesson. So this is also the same model how we did in the eighth exercise. So Zarantha only have to use here. So Zarantha rule we learnt now only. So that is add en in the front plus present participle and present participle form you will get from present tense, new form of the present tense plus ending, add, remove ons and add ant. See the first sentence in ninth one. J'ai découvert beaucoup de choses quand je suis fait sur internet. You have two verbs. J'ai découvert, one is suffix. Here I discovered many things while I go to the internet. So I discover many things when I go through the internet. That is the sentence is given here. So you have to put I discover many things dash on the internet. Instead of saying when I go through the internet, you just say I discover many things while going through. That is why. Surface verb. So don't disturb the first verb, but second verb after the expression con. After that you will have one verb. That verb we have to do here in gerontif. This verb you have to put in gerontif. So fe. I discover many things while on surface is SOURF and ending ANT. Surface you can change it, put EN, present form of new form and remove ONS, add ANT. You get the answer. J'ai découvert beaucoup de choses en surfant sur Internet. I discover many things while going to Internet. Second one. Il siffle quand il continue la voiture. Il siffle, that is his whistle. He is whistling when he drive the car. He whistles when he drive the car. So two times pronoun is repeating. So I have to use after the gone. He conclude that you have to change it. Replace this three word. Second verb in the Harantif. See, he whistling keep as it is dash la voiture. That is the car. The dash you have to fill using a concrete. Gerantif form you have to conjure. He is whistling while an driving consume ant. Conjure is gerantif. Conjure is a present form. You have to write the stem and then add ant. We'll siffle en conduisant la voiture. She is whistling while driving the car. Third one. Elle boit le café quand elle lit le journal. She is drinking the coffee when she read the novel. That is newspaper. Novel, not a newspaper. She drinks coffee when she read the newspaper. Then you have to change that lee. After when, gone. Word lead in the Jaranti form. So don't disturb anything here. She is drinking tea as it is while reading the newspaper. Like this, you have to change it. She is drinking coffee while, instead of while, you can add en, and leer, new form of present tense leer, lis, remove ons, add ant. Elle boit le café en lisant le journal. She is drinking coffee while reading the newspaper. Fourth sentence. Le professeur explique la grammaire et écrit au tableau. The teacher is doing the actions in grammar and he is writing on the board. So you must take two actions are done by the same subject, one verb in the Jarantaf. So sentence is, the professor explained the grammar. So don't disturb this first thing. Grammar while writing on the board. While writing. Il écrit. So you have to write while an and écrit. Écrit is the new form of écrit in present tense. After en, écrit. Remove ons, add ant. So the teacher explains the grammar while writing on the board. Fifth one. Elle est bien connue la France. She is good in France. She is elle beaucoup voyage. She know a lot about the France because she is travel a lot. Voyage, you must Jaranti form, you have to change it. Okay. She learned a lot about the France. Don't disturb it. Keep it as. Elle beaucoup voyage. So you have to write voyage in Jarante form. Put en in front and voyage. Verb voyage. Don't use beaucoup here. Voyage of present tense is voy. And remove ons. Add ant. Elle a bien connu la France en voyageant beaucoup. She knew a lot about the France by traveling a lot. So like this you have to change. The Jaranti form you have to change like this. It is the same model in the 8th exercise, but there it is a fill up. But here it is the statement. So you select the second verb and conjugate. After most of the place, or you have to identify like a fourth and a fifth sentence. Okay, thank you.